If your mornings feel stiff, slow, or just harder than they used to, this is not your fault. But here's the truth most people ignore. It's not age that's slowing you down, it's inactivity. And in the next 10 minutes, you're going to wake up your entire body safely, gently, and without exhausting yourself. This isn't a workout that leaves you tired. This is a routine designed to make your day easier. In the next few minutes, you'll learn a simple step-by-step morning routine that helps you reduce stiffness and improve balance, increase circulation, and feel more confident moving your body. No equipment, no pressure, just movement that works with your body, not against it. Step 1. Gentle breathing to wake up. Start by standing tall or sitting comfortably. Inhale slowly through your nose for 4 seconds. Exhale through your mouth for 4 seconds. Do this 3 to 5 times. This isn't just breathing. You're telling your body, we're starting fresh. But here's where most people rush. They skip this part and go straight into movement. That's why their body feels tight. Step 2, neck and shoulder mobility. Slowly drop your chin to your chest. Now gently roll your head to the right and back, then left. No force. Then bring your shoulders up, whole, and relay tax. This releases tension that builds overnight. Small movement, big difference. Extend your arms out to the side. Start small circles forward, then backward. Let them stay relaxed. This is where your body starts waking up. Hold on to a chair or sit down. This helps with balance and safety. Now, lift your leg. Lift one leg slowly, hold for 2 seconds, lower, switch sides. Repeat 8 to 10 times per leg. This builds strength without pressure. But here's something important. The balance doesn't improve by avoiding movement, it improves by practicing it safely. Step 5, gentle marching 2 minutes. Now stand tall. No rush. This step connects your upper and lower body, and this is where energy starts to rise. Step 6, heel raises 1 minute. Hold onto a chair, lift your heels, stand on your toes, slowly come down. Most falls don't happen because of weakness. They happen because of poor balance. This fixes that. Step 7, gentle stretch and cool down. Reach your arms up slowly, then bring them down. Now gently stretch side to side. No bouncing, just smooth movement. Finish with one deep breath in out. And just like that, you're done.